Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to and how not to respond to an email on Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and an email we have received, which we shall be responding to using two different techniques. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Go to the top right corner, click on Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we need to do is click on an email that we have received. And then what we will do is read the email and then generate a double response. The first one being the way not to respond, and the second one being the way to respond. So this is a test. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Can you confirm that you will be attending tomorrow's meeting at 11 a.m? Kind regards from the admin. And this is the way that you should not reply to an email. Just with a one-word answer. If I were to send that, you would think that this person is very illiterate in tech, has no idea how to respond to an email, has not had the discipline that he would or she would if they were responding to an email at the college level, university level. If I were to speak to someone via a text message and respond to them via yes, that's okay. But today, in this day and age, to respond to an email as if it were a text message is not acceptable. If I were to send this, it looks very unprofessional. The colloquialism that we use on a regular basis is not viable when it comes to sending an email response. So I will therefore delete this message, and this is the way we should respond to an email. Click on reply. Dear admin, thank you for your email. I can confirm that I will be attending tomorrow's meeting at 11 a.m. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. And then we can insert the signature into the email if we wish to. A new signature. We can then click on send. This would be the correct way to send an email in response to the email that was sent to yourself. Dear admin, thank you for your email. I can confirm that I will be attending tomorrow's meeting at 11 a.m. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos, and then your signature. So we can quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.